Oftentimes clients will approach us and ask if our drawings are going to be made by hand or if they're going to be done in the computer. Traditionally, we used to start all projects by hand because they also needed to be executed by hand, but obviously with computer technology, we're increasingly reliant on electronic means of production to produce drawing content. We still will start with hand drawings as a good way to quickly test visual ideas, and then we would move to the computer once things get formulated and the ideas start to coalesce. Hand sketches do have limitations, however. While you can draw an object and copy it, it also is very prone to mistakes and errors. When you're especially committing something to ink on paper, one little misstep or a small change and the entire image oftentimes needs to be recreated. Hand sketches are quick, creative, expressive, and they seem to be still the best way that you can kind of create flow between the ideas that are in your head and some sort of way of expressing it visually to the outside world. Tentative ideas are really not best expressed in the computer because it demands a certain level of precision. But today, this technology is significantly improved, and we are finding that many of the skills we use in creating content by hand can actually be adapted to a tablet and a stylus. Products like the Microsoft Surface or the Apple iPad now have pencils and other devices which closely mimic the feel and the freedom and convenience of real pencils and paper, with the added advantage of being immediately copyable. So the disadvantages of hand-drawn content have been, in some ways, corrected by the use of the computer. It can produce drawings with a humanistic touch that only comes from traditional artistic tools like pencils and crayons, watercolor brushes and erasers. And at the same time, we can easily modify it, copy it, share it. We draw, we redraw, we make a commitment, then we revisit it. The digital drawing process holds a great deal of promise. It enables us the freedom to input things with a great deal of creative range while maintaining many of the conveniences of the digital environment we've come to respect and our world increasingly demands. And we can finally actually answer our clients asking if we produce things by hand or in the computer with a resounding yes to both.